Hi, this is Tim. Hi, this is Rian again, and this is the Social Code, a segment by the Social Club PH. So, today, ano nga bang gagawin natin?
We'll be asking people bakit sila naka-shirt kahit wala namang araw.
Hindi yun. Tatanong natin kung bakit nga ba ganito ang itsurahan ng mga tao sa Valentine's Day. Hindi, joke. Hindi, itatanong natin anong nga bang gagawin nila sa Valentine's Day o sa araw ng kapusuan. So, let's go! Let's get it!
So, hello, my name is Kin. So, ano po yung plans nyo for this Valentine's?
Plans, actually, eto na yun.
Ito na.
Yeah, advance.
Yung name mo po pala.
Hi, I'm Angela.
I'm Christine. Actually, nagplano na kami ng advance. Ito na po yun. Since pare-parehas naman kaming single. Kami na lang po yung nag-date. Actually, may duty din kasi kami. So, na-advance na siya. Ito na po yun.
Yes, Valentine's on advance. My name is Aliona. Ito na yung pinaka Valentine's namin. Valentine's talaga. Valentine's Day. Yes.
Kayo may iwanag?
Yes.
May mga gift din kami.
Yes.
Yung mga
Ayan, ang dami namin activity.
friendship bracelet.
Hi, I'm Rian. So, I'm with these girls sa Ayala Triangle, and what's your name?
My name is Riza.
So, Riza, you and your group, what are your plans for Valentine's?
Our plan for Valentine's is this. Picnic lang with, yes. Kasi we have classes on Saturday. So, ito na yung plan namin for Valentine's.
So, matagal na bang na-plan nyo na to?
Yes po. Like a month kasi syempre we have to fix our schedule then and to ensure that everything will go align. And we bought also food para
Oh, that's nice.
yes, gayon.
So, ayan, for Valentine's, ito lang din yung
Okay lang, okay.
we plan to celebrate Valentine's with each other. So, yun lang.
Hi, my name is Jamira and actually kasi since last year we've always planned na mag-celebrate ng Valentine's together. Kaso nga this year natapat yung Valentine's na may classes kami. So we opted na to celebrate it today since it's our vacant day. And ayun, yung Valentine's namin simple picnic lang today and yes.
Hi, I am Ellie. So, we planned our Valentine's date advance na kasi we wanted rin na a peaceful or konti lang din yung tao around the plant. Yeah, the environment. Kasi kapag mismong 14, minsan kasi pack yung mga places. So, we wanted na advance na lang para at least meron kaming for us medyo peaceful yung around sa amin. And ayun, sa mismong 14 naman, I think kami lang din with our classes. Yeah. So, that's mine.
So, hi, I'm Ashti. So, ayun na, ito na nga yung plan namin for Valentine's. Ironically, last year, nag-Valentine's kami. Dito din kami sa Makati. So, ayun. Hindi Ayala Triangle, it's more on Rockwell. Sa Makati pa rin. And then, ayun nga, we prepared foods. Tapos, we mixed it up. Like, may trend kasi sa TikTok, diba? Like, based on the first initial of our first name, yun yung dadalhin mo. So, yun yung ginawa namin. And we also have like small gifts. So, bale, since 5 kami, we're going to buy like 5 small gifts. Tatapon.
Actually, ayun din naging trend nung Christmas.
Apa.
Na-late kami sa trend.
Okay lang.
Christmas.
Yun lang naman. Okay, so before ko i-end, I just wanna say na I love seeing girls doing this kind of picnic. Kasi even though na, di ba, pag sinabing Valentine's, kailangan iniisip na agad nila with their partners, ganyan. Pero syempre, we should celebrate din namang Valentine's with our circle of friends. Kasi I think at the end of the day, our friends will be there in the long run. Kaya na-appreciate ko yung mga gantong type of Valentine's Day. Hi, my name is Rian. What is your name po, ate?
My name is Nessie po.
Nessie.
Yes.
Okay, ate Nessie, what are your plans for Valentine's?
Oh my God, my plan. I don't have a plan actually, but maybe I'm going out with my friends.
Oh, these are all your friends.
Yeah, they're all my friends. Yeah. Don't have a date.
Oh, sa ganda mo niyan, ate. Wala kang
Wala kasi
date.
malayo.
So kung wala kang plans or with your friends lang, are you guys gonna go eat out or
Yeah.
which restaurant are your go-to?
Siguro seafoods. Mm-mm.
Unfortunately, di ako nakain ng
Oh, seafoods or steak.
Oh yeah, I love steak. Yun lang.
Hello, my name is Kim. So, ang question ko for today is, ano po yung plans nyo for Valentine's Day?
Okay, first of all, my name is Addie. So, 2 days from now, I think Valentine's na, right? Actually, wala naman ako masyadong plans. Dinner lang with friends sa
Valentine's?
Valentine's. Yeah,
Oh,
Valentine's. Since we're both single. So, yun, enjoy my time with friends lang. And then, siguro, I'll make time for family din. If may time din sila. Since iba-iba na kami ng
Yung
priorities.
Valentine's kasi ngayon, hindi na puro couples.
Mm-mm.